Hello dear students, in this video we'll learn about determinants. We'll start with the introduction of determinants of order 2 and 3 and we'll do some questions based on these. Firstly, we'll define a determinant of order 2. A determinant of order 2 is written as A, B, C, D between two parallel vertical lines, where A, B, C and D are complex numbers. Its value is denoted by AD minus BC. That is, we'll multiply A with D and subtract the product of B and C from it. So let's try a question based on this. We'll take example number 1, A part. Here the value of A is given as 3, B is 5, C is -2 and D is 6. So for solving the value of the determinant, we'll multiply A and D, which gives us 3 into 6 is 18. Next, we'll have C and B, that is 5 and -2. The product will result in -10. Subtracting these two values, 18 minus of -10, that is 18 plus 10, our result is 28. Next, we'll define a determinant of order 3. Here we can see the entries have been written as A11, A12, A13 and so on. Here, each entry is denoted by Aij. I stands for the row and J denotes a column. So, the A11 entry corresponds to the first row and the first column. A12 entry corresponds to first row and second column. A13 entry denotes first row and the third column. Similarly, I can say that A23 entry denotes second row and third column. Here, the determinant is denoted by delta, and solving a determinant is also known as expansion. So while expanding this determinant, we'll start by writing from the first row A11 entry, then leaving the entries in the first row and in the first column, we'll move to the subdeterminant, that is A22 entry, A23, A32 and A33. Again, as previously done, we can solve a 2 cross 2 determinant here. Next, we'll write A12 entry and again leave the first row and second column and solve the determinant of the remaining entries. Here, we'll see that we are going to subtract the value of this term from the previous one. For the third entry A13, again leaving the first row and the third column, we'll solve the remaining determinant, and here we are going to add this in the previous value. So again, let's see an example. Example number 2, A part. Here all the entries are given to us. The first entry A11 is given as 2. So leaving the first row and the first column, we are left with -1, 5, 6 and 2. We'll solve its determinant by multiplying -1 with 2, that is -2, and subtracting the product of 5 and 6, that is 30 from it. Similarly, for the second entry, we have 5 over here, which is the A12 entry. We'll put a minus sign before it. Then 5 into the determinant of the remaining entries, that is leaving the first row and the second column. We are left with 4, 5, 3 and 2. Again, we can solve its determinant. 4 into 2 is 8 and we'll subtract 3 into 5, that is 15 from it. Again, A13 entry is now -3. We'll write it down, solve the corresponding determinant and add this in the previous result. So the overall value of the determinant will come out to be -110, that is -110. Similarly, you can try the examples from the remaining section, that is example 1, the remaining parts, and example 2, the remaining parts. Also, you are given few questions at the end, unsolved questions, and you can check your progress. The answers to these questions are given at the end of the module. So, happy learning to you.